Hey, what is going on? My name is Norbert and welcome to the Complete JavaScript Array Methods series. In this video, we're going to learn about the sum method. As always, the code is down in the description below, so if you wish to just follow along, then just grab onto the code, copy it, and just follow along with what I'm doing. If you wish to code along, then please feel free to do so. Now, before we get into the video, if you're new to the channel, then please consider subscribing to the channel because I post new content like this on a regular basis. Also, if you like my video, hit that thumbs up button and help out that YouTube algorithm and help the channel grow. And as always, if you have any kind of questions or suggestions, please consider them leaving them down in the comment section below. So with this being said, let's get into the video. The sum method checks if any of the elements in an array passed a test provided by a specific function. Also, the sum method does not execute the function for array elements without values. So let's take an example by looking at a couple of numbers array. So created a variable with the name of numbers. Let's pass in here a couple of numbers. Let's say 3, 10, 18, and 20. Not seconds, just a number. So the sum method executes the function once for each element present in the array, and if it finds an array element where the function returns true as the value, the sum returns true and does not check the remaining values. Otherwise, it will return false. So let's create our tester function and let's call this function, and let's say check over 18. Now this is going to take in a number as an argument and is going to just return whatever condition we pass in here. So we're going to test if there is a number that's over 18. Now let's console log our numbers array. Let's say dot sum, use the sum method, and now the checking function, which is check over 18. Okay, I missed here a s. So it returns true because he reached this 18 and said, okay, we do have some element within this array that has 18 is equal or greater than 18. Now, if I change this to 20, this should still be true. If I change this to 30, it's going to be false because there is no number with 30. Also, if I change this to 4, it's still going to return true, and everything that is between 3 and 20 will return true. So let's leave it at 20, and please note that this method does not change the original array, so it executes upon it but it doesn't change it. Now the short version of this is using an arrow function. So for example, if I create here const of check greater than age, and let's pass in here age, then an arrow function, and this is going to return from the numbers array sum, and within here the number and this and a certain condition, and the number should be over the age that is going to be passed in here. And let's also do this for less than. So less than age, and this should just change the direction. So let's initiate here a age with the let keyword, assign to the age the number 20, and now let's console log. I'm actually going to console log both of them. So first of all, I'm going to check for greater than age, and then I'm going to check for less than age. Okay, so let's see number 20. Let's also get rid of this. So number 20 is going to return true for greater than and less than. This array contains greater and equal to number of 20 and less than to the number of 20. You can also do this for 18 or 19. Still going to return true, and if I change this to 21, it's going to return false and then true, because I'm going to check the first one checks if this number is greater than the numbers within our array. Okay, and this is going to check if it's less than, if the numbers are less than this number. Okay, so hope this makes sense and hope you understand now the sum method. So with this being said, hope you enjoyed the video. Smash that like button if you did, dislike it if you didn't, subscribe to the channel if you're new here, and leave a comment in the comment section below if you have any kind of questions or suggestions for further videos. So see you